In this video, we will configure a factory-installed VNX system using the VNX Installation Assistant. The VNX Installation Assistant, also known as VIA, is a single-instance pre-configuration tool for freshly installed, unified, or file-only VNX systems. A separate tool, known as the Unisphere Initialization Utility, is used for configuring block-only VNX systems. Before running VIA, the VNX must be cabled, powered on, and connected to the network. Ensure that the VNX and the Windows client you are running VIA from are on the same physical network. Any firewalls, pop-up blockers, or VPNs are disabled. The Cisco Security Agent, if installed, is disabled on the Windows client, and you have located the MAC address of the primary control station. We will now install a VNX system using VIA. After you install VIA, launch it by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. After verifying the system is in fact ready to run VIA, click Next. In this example, we are starting a new installation. Verify that the configuration profile is set to New Configuration and click Next. VIA will now scan the network for unconfigured systems. The first step of VIA is to set up the control station for accessing the network. Select the MAC address of the system you want to configure. In this example, we are configuring a dual control station system, so we will configure system host names and IP addresses. When finished, click Next and confirm the control station settings. Enter the storage processor IP addresses and click Next to continue. We are now asked to configure passwords to be used for accessing the array. The default credentials for accessing Unisphere are sysadmin, sysadmin. We will leave these as is and continue. The next step is to enter the domain and NTP settings for the blades, or data movers. We now have the option to configure ESRS or email support. EMC Secure Remote Support, or ESRS, is a secure, high-speed connection from the array to EMC that allows EMC support to receive error files and alerts from the system. ESRS also allows EMC support to perform remote troubleshooting. It is the preferred method of support. In this example, we will skip support configuration. We will select the Email Home option and click Next to continue. VIA allows you to select and install file licenses that you purchase with your VNX. In this example, we will select all licenses and continue. VIA will now perform a health check on the array. Verify there are no faults and continue on. The pre-configuration page is now displayed. Use this page to review the specified configuration and click Next. VIA will now apply the configuration that you specified. This process will take approximately 15 minutes to complete. Each task that VIA performs will be listed on this page. A message will appear when all settings have been successfully applied to the VNX. We have now successfully pre-configured a VNX system using the VNX Installation Assistant. EMC recommends that you register your system and upgrade the VNX operating environment if a new version is available using Unisphere Service Manager. Now that pre-configuration of the array is complete, we can launch Unisphere to manage the VNX. Launch a web browser and navigate to either the IP address of the control station or storage processors. For more information on VIA, please see the guide titled Getting Started with VNX Installation Assistant for File Unified, located on EMC Online Support.